welcome to Kiss in the Kitchen. I have a super, really quick top tip for you when you're making bread. Basically, 1, put some bread flour on the corner of your work surface or on the corner of your board. 2, if you need to dust your board, we can sometimes have too much flour and that will dry your bread out too quickly, which isn't what you want. So you can either take a little pinch, spread it from really high up, one technique which works very effectively, which should generally kind of spread it around the board where you don't end up with clusters. Other technique, a little bit fancier, you kind of almost throw it. So with my back to you, but looking at the board, you kind of just toss it across the board. And with the little kind of, I can't really explain it, just the wrist action of going from left to right. And you just release it and it will spread the flour across the board. Both tips work equally well, but it means you don't end up with a cluster. And the bread on the corner is just when you're mixing your dough, it's easier to take it from the corner than to keep dipping into the packet. Thank you so much for joining me here at Kiss in the Kitchen. I look forward to seeing you soon, sweetie. Take care.